Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm thrilled to be back with a video where I will demonstrate how to wear a hanbok wrap dress and tie the outer 옷고름 ribbons. The hanbok I've designed is all about merging comfort with versatility. I will guide you through the steps to ensure you achieve the perfect look and comfort. Make sure one size dart aligns with your bust and tie the inner ties securely without pulling them too tightly. These inner ties are essential to keep the top in place. And ensure that the other dart also aligns with your bust. For a more oversized and comfort fit, skip the step of wrapping the long tie around your waist. If you'd like to accentuate your body shape and add extra flair to your hanbok, take the long tie, wrap it around your waist, and securely tie it with a short tie. This will create lovely pleats and volume along the skirt. Feel free to experiment with these steps to find the perfect fit and style that suits your personal preference and the occasion. Now let's move on to tying the outer 옷고름 ribbons on the hanbok. Start by creating a standard tie as you normally would. Then for the upper tie, wrap it around your left hand twice. Form a loop with the bottom tie and insert this loop into your left hand. Gently pull the end of the upper tie. You've just created a beautiful 옷고름. Don't worry if it's not absolutely perfect or if it seems a bit complex. You can also use different types of ribbons or your preferred method if that's more comfortable for you. I truly hope you find this tutorial helpful for both creating and wearing your hanbok. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. I can't wait to see you in my next video. 안녕!